Hello folks, LA here again for today's short take. I've been hacking around with the security theme. There is an ETF called Hack that contains security stocks, and if you pop over and check it out, you can see the weighting inside the structure, how it's set up, total assets in these various issues, and you can see which ones are most favored versus those that aren't. This probably started out as an equal weighting, and as these move around, they get higher weightings. That would be my guess. This hasn't been around all that long. If you look at the stocks inside this group, starting with CYBR, CYBR got a huge push up. It's a relatively new name. Spikes up, looks like it's probably about to run out of steam and do some sort of a retrace. The reason for bringing this to your attention is not to tell you, okay, rush out and buy this stock or that, but instead to say, hey, this is a hot group, there's stocks in it. If you time your entries and exit, you can make some pretty good money. Taking the second most heavily weighted stock inside that sector, here's FEYE. FEYE goes over, back under, less volume. That probably is going to try to retrace. And so you can probably see the theme here. You're about to see some sort of a retrace in this group, which is going to allow an opportunity for one to get back in. QLYS, let's look at that one. Just quickly run down the list. That one's already doing the retrace, coming back into the high volume spike. That's probably the one that's setting up for the next buy. And let's just take the next one while we're here. Proof point. See what that one looks like. That one also is doing the retrace, going to come back into this big bar. So you can see how these are moving around. You can see the group itself doing pretty hot. Let's actually look at the group before we call this a day. Hack, over, back under, less volume, also wants to pull back. Where should it pull back to? Well, it should come back into this retest region. That would be the ideal spot, and that would be the ideal price. Right in there. That's it for today and for today's short take. Thanks and have a good one.